Hey guys, today we're going to make aubergine fritters with a chicken mince filling inside. It's a tasty combination and can be enjoyed as a snack with any sauce you prefer. So let's begin on how to make this. Chicken mince from 2 breasts. If you want to know how to make homemade chicken mince, we have a quick tutorial on that, linked in the description. 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, half a cup of blended onions, red chili powder to taste depending how spicy you want it, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala. If you want to know how to make homemade garam masala, check the link in the description. Fennel and cumin seed powder, 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, a quarter cup of coriander leaves, salt to taste, add 1 tablespoon of any oil, we're adding olive oil, adding your ginger and garlic paste, give that a little mix, and your onion paste, cook this for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, we're adding a quarter cup of water. Give it a mix. And your salt. And give that a mix. And now we're adding our spices. We're going to give that a mix. Now we're adding our chicken mince. We're going to mix that in as well. Stir and cook for until the colour changes in the chicken mince. Then once the colour has changed from a pinky colour to a light brown, add in your coriander leaves and mix that in. And turn the flame onto a low flame and cook for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, once it has cooked properly, leave it to cool down. Next, for step number 2, we're going to cut our aubergines into circular shapes like this. Throw away the ends. Make sure they are quite thin slices. Then you're going to soak in cold water. After that, you're going to take them out and place on a kitchen towel to get them dried. Now they're all dry. 1 cup of basin or gram flour, a quarter cup of rice flour, half a teaspoon of salt, and water required. Now you're going to make like a paste to dip your aubergine fritters with a chicken mince filling in. Give that a quick mix to combine the flours in together. And then you're going to gradually pour in your water to get a runny paste-like consistency. I'll show you the consistency once we're done. So do it until you get this consistency, so it runs off your fingers, so very smooth and runny. Now get 2 even aubergine slices. Add in your filling in the centre, just adding 2 tablespoons. And then place your other half on top. And then carefully dip in your paste. This is just to help it stick together, so it doesn't break apart when we go to shallow fry them. Now heat up oil in a pan. You can use any oil you want, and we're going to shallow fry it. Put your paste over it, just basically coat it within the paste. And carefully take it out and place onto the frying pan and fry until golden brown on each side, light golden brown. Fry on a medium flame. Once they reach the light golden brown colour, take them out. Here we have our aubergine fritters with chicken mince filling. It's very delicious and simple. It's a good combination and it can be enjoyed as a snack. So be inspired, try new things and conquer amazing skills. And like and subscribe and comment down below. And check out our other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.